everyone. We have a success story from an interesting person, Arpit, who cleared PMP on 3rd of August. We were just talking about his success, and he was telling that there is not even a single day I missed to see my certificate. And I keep seeing LinkedIn success or comments and likes are flowing in. So first, let's give a great congratulations for him. Wonderful achievement, Arpit. Good wishes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I mean, it's like a dream come true. I mean, the thing for which you are preparing for last, 4 or 5 months, and suddenly it came into your hands. So it's like a blessing. Yeah. So,
Right.
but first of all, many thanks to you and to your team, sir, for always supporting me and pushing me hard so that this certification can be in my hands. Thanks to you.
Nice to know. More than pushing, I think I remember the day when you came in. I think it's before joining the class, 2 weeks before the class, you called and you said, I'm going to start reading now. I think you were the one person from that batch who started reading, you started asking more questions even before the class starts. So you are pretty proactive. What is PMP, what to do, how to do, right? That interest was there with you.
Yes. Actually, sir, from January 2021, many people got a resolution with the beginning of the year. And in last 2020, I got some experience with some of the interviews where I was felt that I don't have the PMP certification with me. And that got a rigor. And in January 2021, I got some of the information about this certification, what this certification actually is. And in Feb, I started collecting some of the information, like what is the books required. And I came to know about She Learning from one of my friend Abhijit, who is from my hometown Indore. And I straight away called you and Rahul, and that was first step on this PMP journey, I can say. And after that, I was quite serious from the day one that I need to crack this exam, this certification. And as I said, 3rd of August was my day.
Yeah, I know. We have seen how serious you are. You won't leave it, right? Until you get the score what you want, you won't leave it. You'll keep checking, man, why my score is not coming?
Exactly, sir. From the day one, sir, I always focused on concepts. I was not reading just to get the certificate because I am into project management field. And I was very much eager to get the concepts, to know about Agile, because I am from waterfall, methodology. So I was very much interested about Agile Practice Guide, Mike Griffith, first, second, and fifth chapter especially. And from that day, I know that I want to build my concept so much that even PMI can ask from a single corner. I want to able to answer that question. Wow. So that was my agenda. Okay. And that was the only rigor to get. I was never satisfied with my percentage. Even today, seeing the level above target line, I should think that it should gone above what is the level today. It was shown in my results. So that was the feeling.
I can sense that. Every time you call, you'll ask me, Shyam, why my score is not going more than this? So what I have to do, where I'm failing. Do you think really this is enough for my real exam? You'll keep questioning. I can see that anxiety and passion with you. Right, that's good. Let's see your posters, good-looking posters. And I think your LinkedIn should be pretty busy now. You have many followers. I can see.
Yes. I'm busy with some of the friends who are approaching me that how to get the certification done. So yeah, it's a good feeling.
Right. So now you tell to yourself, hey, it's me, man. I did it. Kind of nice.
Yes.
A good feel. And you're a project manager. So give something about the background, what domain you work, what's the nature of job?
Yeah. So, sir, I'm into automotive domain. And I'm into manufacturing for almost last 10 years. I'm into project management. So currently I'm not a portfolio where I'm looking for all the things which are compromising in project management area. But some of the activities like the subset of project management, which is called as APQP, Advanced Product Quality Planning. So where I'm looking for the NPI, I mean the new product introduction, as well as some of the cost out projects, where we need to get the cost out from some of the suppliers which are already in existence, and from where we can, manage that project from one supplier to another supplier. This is one thing. And right now, I'm also looking after the e-mobility projects, which are future of coming technologies. I mean, so this is what I mean. I'm totally focused on the NPI. I mean, the new product introductions and the NPD programs.
Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Nice to know that the nature of job. And again, how come this PMP? I know you said some years back you had it in your corporate. Do you see there is a necessity for having knowledge in this area?
Very much, sir, very much, because I mean the automotive domain right now, it's currently working on the waterfall or predictive methodologies. So there is a transition right now in today's, they are moving to from predictive to agile. So there was always required of knowledge with respect to the current scenario in the automotive domain. And that's why I also felt that, in today's scenario of our automotive industry, the crowd is moving towards agile. So that's why, PMP is always required. And it's always required to add the knowledge in your bucket list. So that's what. And pandemic helped me a lot to get some, time out of it and fulfill my dreams. Because, to get the certification done, I was thinking from 2020, but after a rigor from Jan 2021, because I came to know about the ECO change, Agile came into the picture. So I thought, this is the best time to get this done and to increase your knowledge, because you also said, no one can take something, but your knowledge will remain at the last. So that's what I always insisted on myself, that whatever you learn will remain for last.
Right. True. Well said. Rightly said. And how are you able to manage the classes on a weekend? Are you able to spend time? I know you could have your family around and busy timeline. Are you consistent on the weekends to sit and listen?
Yes, sir. I was very much consistent about, the videos that you are, sharing. I never missed a class. Even I was, joining your class 5 to 10 minutes before, because I don't want to miss those motivating words which you are giving before starting of the classes, because that was a rigor for the whole next week. Because I always do my retrospection after those motivating words. So this is one thing.
Okay.
Second thing,
look like a movie star. Look like a movie star. The first name comes out.
Yeah. I always looked at what is the cast appearance coming in front of the screen on my windows. So I never miss that single word from that. Okay. But seriously, sir, as you said, I just read some of the things in February 2021. Because I was from March batch, which was commenced from 13th March 2021. Before that, I gained some of the knowledge, not so much deep, but yes, I came to know that these are the knowledge areas, these are the things which I need to refer once I get back into the classes. So once I was getting those concepts clear, somewhat at my level, and after attending your classes, my concepts were very much cleared from the day one of the classes.
Very good.
So that's the rigor that I need to clear my concept from the day one, and this is the thing. You will be getting the good scores and clear the main exam. So that was the fundamental.
Fantastic. That's nice to know that. So I know you have a good reading habits, you have a test taking habits, and I believe you have a systematic approach, right? You have a timetable for yourself, what to do, what time to wake up, what time to read. Very systematic. How do your family support it?
Sir, my family supported, and they are also support me in this PMP journey. Because my father, my mother, and especially my wife, I have a kid of 3 years. So he always insisted me, father, came out, please, help me with the cricket games and all. I always used to tell my wife, please take him, because I'm not able to take him outside because my hectic schedule of PMP.
Yes.
So my family supported me from day one, but especially after the June 2021, where I started my PMP, the Prepcast simulator exams.
Uh-huh.
From that to July 20th, when I finished my study hall. So till then, no one disturbed me, and thanks to my family members who supported me and understood me
Right.
with this. But they even don't know I have passed on 3rd of August. They came to me and asked me, "What achievement have you gained from this certification?" They are asking me again and again.
Hmm.
So I told them my LinkedIn profile, and they now understand that okay, I have made such a good progress in this past 5 months. So that was such a
Nice.
that
Nice.
came to an end with a positive note. That is
Nice.
what I can say.
Seriously, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Nice to know that family is supporting. I keep looking for any interview. I'll check out how family thinks, because this PMP is not one person's achievement. It's a collective effort.
Yes,
It's always a
exactly,
collective.
sir. Exactly.
Great, good. So now you take back to your office. Your corporate will recognize you more on what you achieve. That's a good thing. So how did you took the exam? Is it online or you went to center? How you did it?
So, sir, from the day one, for my preparation, I decided that I will go for the center based.
Center based only.
Whatever the situation will be, whatever the pandemic, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, I will go for the center based, because I don't want to take a chance with my confidence level, with my preparation, and especially with the network, which is
Right.
being going ups and downs like a sinusoidal curve in this pandemic times. So
Uh,
I mean, but one thing that due to this pandemic, I suffered due to that I was not getting the center-based location. Currently I'm in Indore, and uh, the professional life is in Pune. So, but due to this pandemic, I came down to Indore, and the center was there was only one center in MP, which is in Bhopal. So I just I need to go to Bhopal, and I need to choose a center which was rarely available before August 2nd. So I choose a center on 20th of July,
mhm.
and on that day I got a slot of 11 a.m. and I booked the slot.
Mm,
So,
mm,
but yeah, it was a long story. I just want to finish it on before 15th of July. That was my target,
mm.
but due to this pandemic, I was unable to get a slot.
Okay, yeah, I know you waited for it for a while, right?
Yes,
Because you are ready for the exam long time. I
yes.
keep telling that Arpit, you're done, man. Go write the exam, and you'll tell.
So that was a pressure because I mean, see, I was I mean I have completed my prepcast all 4 mocks. I
Okay,
completed with my study hall.
right.
There was no things which was remained, so I was a little bit thinking myself that what to do, man, because you have completed all the stuff, and apart from the books completion, I have completed 3-4 times I'm in the Agile Practice Guide, 3 times I'm in Rita Mulke and PM
What
Box
else?
6th
What
edition.
else pending?
Sir, apart from Mike Griffith 1, 2, and 5 chapters, something is remaining. Now I'm completing them. So that was only remaining. So,
I
but I
remember.
was
I remember the day you came in, Shiram. What is next? What I have to do? I said, man, you were supposed to clear the certificate 4 days back. Man,
right. Yes. So that was the thing that yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. So if somebody is preparing for the exam,
Mhm.
you have any tips for them? Telling, hey, do this, it'll help you.
First of all, sir, I want to share some of the things that I faced in exam.
Mm, mm,
So, and follow that, I will going to share some of the tips. First of all, whenever I'm in going for your classes, you always said small dedications and small consistencies are very much important to
mm.
crack this exam. So from the day one, I want to share that how much you are reading doesn't matter, but there should be a consistency in your schedule so that there should not be a lag in your studies. One, suppose if you are not reading for 1 day or 2 day, the third day when you are picking the books, there will be a lack of confidence in yourself. So I will suggest prepare a mindset that you should be taking your books
Consistent.
not for 30 minutes or 40 minutes, just for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Take the book, go through some of the pages, Go through some of the keywords which have been there in the Rita Mulkai or in the PM box.
Perfect.
That will
Perfect.
help you to make a progress. This is one thing.
Perfect.
Second thing, sir, the exam is not so difficult.
Hmm.
If you are clear with the ECOs, if you are clear with the mindset, surely everyone can crack this exam. It is on the moderate level, but PMI is checking the exam on the 3 levels. That is what I can say. First is your patience. The every questions of my exam on, I'm talking about the main exam, out of 180, 150 to 155 questions were minimum 3 to 4 liners. They are not giving me a single time to breathe, because I mean so much. On the right hand side of the topmost side, a clock is going on, which is tickling in your mind. So every time you need to check how much time is remaining and how much questions are coming again and again in a single minute. So
Right.
that was the one thing that the PMI is checking. Second thing, time management. How much time you are managing on a daily basis, or whatever the mocks that you are giving, either from the She Learning, either from study hall, or
Right.
either from the prepcast.
Right.
You need to check each and everything, that how much time you are managing on each and every mock. Third thing, your concepts. PMI, I always say PMI will not going to lower down their level, but it will be you should be familiar with the concepts and you need to make a trigger on. So these are the 3 things I felt during those 230 minutes that the PMI is checking that. So I was very much confident after 50th question that I will going to crack this exam, but I was little much tired after 120th question, because the questions were so much lengthy. Not too difficult, but the more on the lengthy, because even I'm getting the questions of one liner, the options are of 2 liners. So PMI is checking my patience on that. And after I know after 160 or 165 question, I thought just to end the exam, but I thought, man, this journey will not going to.
Right.
So I kept on. Yeah.
You have to play till the last ball. That's important. Nice.
Just my first question of 4th liner, and my 180th question was also 4th liner. So PMI has played a game with me all together for 230 minutes. That is what I can say.
So how much of minutes you had when you completed your exam?
I had 12 minutes remaining when I completed my exam.
When you click the last button, did you felt that a heartbeat, or you're clear that I'm going to clear the exam?
Sir, as I shared from the 50th question, I was very much confident that I will going to crack this exam. This is in my hand right now. But there was some network issue after 160 question and 180th question, and it took me 20 seconds to see the congratulations word. So my heart was going like such a thing, like, man, what has been going on? I don't know. I called the moderator, and he came down in my cabin, and he asked me, sir, have you completed? Yes, but I want to see my results. Oh, Bola, don't worry. I will going to share the screenshot of this. And later on, after 2 minutes, he shared me the sheet with all about targets, and then I got relieved. Okay, now I'm good. So those 20 seconds.
Yeah, that waiting time is the toughest thing, right?
that was the toughest thing. You can't see yourself waiting for such for that certification for which you are preparing for last 5 months. So at that time, yeah.
True.
That was even I'm sharing right now. I'm feeling that particular moment which I lived on 3rd of August. So
wow. That's an emotional connect, I believe.
Yes.
Beautiful. Happy to know, Harpreet. I'm so happy with your success. First of all, thanks for coming here on this Sunday and giving this wonderful interview of your success journey. Because I know you as a person always on the toes to make it happen. So I feel that energy with you. Continue that energy. After this exam, you should not drop it. Keep reading more. Stay in the forum,
yes.
right? We have PMP Elite group. Contribute there. Post PMP,
Yes.
only lot of things to be done. PMP is one start. After that, you have to do a lot to go higher in the leadership cadre, right? That's very interesting. So, Bob, great viewers. Thanks all for watching this video. I'm sure you all like the energy of Harpreet. And he's a guy who waited for center. Only when the center opened, I'll write the exam. If not, he would have got certificate 1 month before. So that's a level of preparation he made. So leave your likes and comments for his winning. And Harpreet, once again, congratulations from Sri Learning team. And thanks for trusting us. And thanks for being a good winner here.
Sir, I want to say the last words that I want to thanks, I mean, from my heart to Rahul. He, when I was in, when I was in my tough time during my preparation, he is the only one who helped me to get out of that. And also, I mean, thanks to your entire team for conducting this 40 question mocks on every weekend. Surely your She Learning mocks always help me a lot on making my concepts build. This is one thing that I want to share with everyone. If you want to make the concepts, try the 40 questions of She Learning. Try the 40 questions of Agile, because this will help you to make the concepts and will help you to make the race win for the longer run.
Nice.
So this was the only thing. And thanks to you, sir, for always helping me with your positive moments on the WhatsApp, with a call, and clearing some of the doubts, which remains after reading those books. So thanks to you. And for sure, I will going to maintain this rigor for long.
Okay.
Because now I got to understand with my likes on the LinkedIn that this is not a simple thing that I have done and I achieved. So for sure, I will keep this momentum going on.
Nice. That's a good thing, right? So don't leave it here. Keep moving.
Yes.
Good. Thanks a lot, and appreciate your trust on us. Keep rocking more. Good wishes, Harpreet.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.